31 to 10,533, y'all. Come on, somebody. Could do for you, and I'm gonna get right into it. So as you see, I'm in Pinterest right now, and I just want to show you my analytics because I'm an open book. Here is a story that I did. Look how many impressions that story pin got. Another one that I did, 1,887. The other one was 10,533. And another story pin that I did, 31 views or impressions. And as you can see, I was learning about story pins and figuring it all out. So once I got the hashtag game down and all that stuff, you see what it did. So 31 to 10,533, y'all. Come on, somebody. Got some sales off of that because I was selling my unapologetic sweatshirt. So if you want an unapologetic sweatshirt, hit your girl up. Unapologetically black sweatshirt, to be exact. Okay. So you do what I just did because I wasn't paying attention. I'm just going through and not even telling y'all. But anyway, you're going to upload or drop or click or drag a video or a picture. Looks like videos does really, really good for this. I'm going to put a video here. This is a t-shirt that I also have for sale. It's a Jesus tee. It is a video. Let's look at it. Get it, sis. Yes. Yes, girl. You better do that. Oh, that's Jesus. All right. So then we could put text over it. Oopsie. Okay, here we go. I know I want this though. I don't want this. You can move it around like so. You can change it. I like that one. Put it over a little bit. All you need is a little bit of Jesus. I like the white. I like it like that. All you need. Okay. One thing I don't like the way that's stacked on there. That's just me though. I'm real crazy. See if I can change it. Now it surely don't look right though, y'all. No, it don't. Okay, we're gonna roll with it. It's probably just me, y'all. So that's that. And you get to pick a theme. What type of theme? I'll just do blank because this isn't a recipe or anything like that. So grab your Bible and your Jesus too. And I'm going to put some hashtags in here. Easter's coming up, right? Somebody might want this for Easter. Maybe you want it for the Easter basket. Come on, somebody. And come on, somebody. Then I'm going to hit this right here. You can put the tags in here and watch what it do with the tags. I want you to watch this. It's going to start suggesting things. Check it out. Hey. Black church. Anything that can be related. Did I put this already? I did. So we see that don't take it out. Y'all know I can't let's see. This one, I see a lot. So you can put up to 10 tags, y'all. 10 tags. And I have to pick a board. And I'm going to hit publish. So the thing with these story pins is to make sure you're using your tags, use some hashtags, make it relevant or somewhat relevant to the people that you're searching for that would want to be interested in what you're selling or what you're having up there. So just remember that. And also, I just want to mention to you all to use the pins, the story pins, more frequently than what I'm doing. I'm a solopreneur, so I'm all over the place. I'm trying to get more assistants, like a steady VA, a virtual assistant, one that's primary and not just going to Fiverr or Upwork for it. So I'm in the process of that, and I probably will document that because I think that'll be good to share my experience with you all. Maybe you can learn from it. So stay tuned for that as well. And I just got to get more frequent with my posts, and that VA, that virtual assistant, is going to be able to assist me with that because I think the stories are the bread and butter for Pinterest. It's something new. Anytime a platform comes out with something new, you really, really, really should consider utilizing it if you don't do anything else at all. And I'm also going to save this to other boards that I have. One that does really good for me it's a group board, and it is, where's she? Board for everything. And what I forgot to mention that, what I didn't do, so I'm not thinking straight, is I would put the link to where they could buy it at. So my Etsy store, for example, I will put that link there, and I'm probably going to edit that to do that because people do, they either go to my profile or they can click it in there. So I've done that before. Quite a few times, actually. Yep, I sure have. So they can like copy it and paste it and put it in Etsy is what they could do. Yeah, they can copy that and put it up here and go to it. That's why I put it there typically. But as you can see, the girl didn't do that. So they can go to my profile and my shop is there, right there. They can go to it. So it's really up to them. Alrighty, y'all. Yup. All right. Thank you all. And I will check back. I'll follow up with you all and let you know what comes of that show.